Okay, hello guys. So today we got an Epiphone Les Paul custom coming in for a pro setup. Apart from that, he wants to install fluence pickup. After the installation, I find that that is quite noisy. I did some diagnostics, then I found out that there's no actually grounding coming from the bridge to the electronics cavity to the electronics itself. So I make that grounding by actually drilling through from the bridge bushing all the way through into the electronics compartment. So yeah, after that quietens down, the video is quite long, so just stay tuned if you want to see the entire process. Hope to see you at the end. Bye. Okay, you hear that? Very noisy, yeah? See that? So this is if I ground my strings together with the grounding outlet, automatically quietens down. Usually there will be one grounding wire coming out from here. So what I need to do is I need to drill. Hold on. I need to drill a hole from here across, then solder the grounding. If not a bit noisy, I give you example. By the way, I need to remove this bushing. Dia ada risk of chipping tau. Dia pin bila ni kena tarik keluar, dia ada chance dia punya finish will chip sikit. So let me know if you want to proceed lah. Okay, that's the risk lah. But I will heat up this bushing first, jadi dia minimize the chipping before I remove. So let me know if you want to proceed. Okay, I'm here already. Okay, dah tak bising sangat. Dah tak bising sangat. Alright. Okay everyone, so today we got an Epiphone Les Paul coming in for pro setup. Apart from that, these pickups newly installed, these fluence. Then after that we got 2 push pull plus 2 master knob. Yeah, it sounds very bright. This is the bridge pickup. Okay, bridge pickup. Yeah, so far it's clean. Very clean actually. There's one thing that I did previously. There's no grounding for this. I thought there's no need for the grounding. Previously also don't have the grounding for the active pickups, but apparently after checking for the grounding, I do need to do some grounding work for this. So I drill a hole all the way straight here. Then after that I tapped into the grounding itself. Then after that it becomes a bit more quieter. Alright. So yeah, it sounds very loud. Okay, thank you guys for watching. If you like the content, don't forget to subscribe and like. If you have any questions, you can WhatsApp me on 841-89951. I hope to see you soon. Bye.